it feel lonely. Pull up if it feel lonely.
So hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be obviously slaying another wig. Joking. But then I'm using this thing that I've seen people been wearing. It's like a wig fix thing. Like, it's meant to be really good for, like, you know, protecting your hair, and you don't need a cap, no cap and stuff like that. So I'm going to be using it, but I'm going to be putting on Cynosure Hair. So basically I got a 24-inch Bodywave hair, 200 and something density, which will be in the description bar down below. So like all the hair info. I did bleach the knots, I then put some foundation on it, and then I also plucked the front a bit, plucked it to death. And then I also added some highlights. So when I was bleaching the knots, I always just tend to put the bleach at the bottom of the hair to give it some ombre effect. So this was not like a fully thought out plan, but it came out looking good. So yeah, the hair is really soft, silky. I washed it, it doesn't shed, like it's perfectly fine. Like there's not really any, there's not Lala, fix up yourself nicely, man. Sorry guys, have a look at her. Can you see her? Hi Lala. Lala. Hello girl. Hello girl. Hello. So yeah, she's my little company for today, you know what I mean? So yeah, this wig, pretty decent wig by the way. So we're just gonna like put everything on. So I'm putting this on around my head. So it's a wig fix thing. They're both the same, got the same grips on both parts. So I'm going to stretch this over my head. It fits. It's got the little sticky out bits on this side underneath. Then I'm going to put on the wig. Fits very snug over the head. So this is the reason why I have my hair fully like stuck down, like slicked back, because it just makes everything like so much easier, especially like wig applications. So I remember when I cut my hair before, I was thinking, oh my god, how am I gonna put a wig on top? I can't cornrow it. Well, cornrows is not the only way to do so. So I feel like this kind of makes the wig like a little bit, holds it more, which is really good. I think for 220% density, it's not as full as I thought it would be, but we'll see. We'll keep going.
Dammy, I told you not to let the beat go.
Just make up your mind, we don't have no time now. I'ma need you to decide, I'll step to the side. I've been running on empty here where you left me. You got me drunk and lover, you got me wasting my time. We be talking all night, these late nights I can't fight. Your love, you got me, I can't hide. My mind was made up in no time. We be talking all night, these late nights I can't fight. Your love, you got me, I can't hide. My mind was made up in no time. Change your life this season. I got me on my grind for the vision. And I got money on my mind. And I got business on my line. You see me working hard, I got a 9 to 5. Yeah, I'm grinding now, I got to survive. Nice for what, I'ma get this, or I'ma hold it down like a...
Ooh, come through. So I literally just took off the oh honey, ooh, is my armpit shaved? Oh god, hide it, shine. It's quarantine. You forget that you know, you let yourself go a little bit. I lost weight though, which is good. Oh, I love me hair. Oh yes, like do I even need to do anything else to it? Well, number one, the thing underneath here has made the hair stay. Even that bit, that doesn't move, which is great. The lace literally like did the damn thing. Like I'm very shocked at this lace. Like, come through, Cynosure Hair. What? This was literally the easiest wig I've ever put on in my entire life. The easiest wig. Like, I don't even feel like I need to do anything to it. Like, baby hairs, why? You know what I mean? Like, is there any need to do the baby? I did pluck it to death though, unfortunately, but you can always... Nah, man, I can't put any baby hairs in this. Like, the baby hairs are just falling on their own. Like, I think perfect. I'm not gonna put any in. Not gonna put any in. Hair is beautiful. Highlight, I did it myself. I'm sorry, Daydream, I won't be coming to you for the next month. Listen, as soon as I'm back in that chair, because doing my hair myself, it's still nice, but it's not as greasy. Not greasy, what a word, greasy. It's not as exciting as actually getting like a fresh do at the salon that you had no control over and the person could just do their thing. But I think I'm doing decent. What do you think? I'm gonna show you the full like front and back of this hair in a second. Now it's time. I've already done it. I already flipped it once, but now it's time for a flip. Because even though you don't do like the best curls or whatever, just do a flip, and the flip is everything. So let me show you how we flip. And you shake it all about, shake it all about, shake it all about, shake it all about. My mind was made up in no time. Ooh, you can change your mind, but I'ma leave you behind. Make you feel no pressure, but I don't see your kind. I already steady go, I'm on a mission. Change your life this season. I got me on my perfect. So all the information about this hair in the description bar below, and I also put like a little link for the white thing. But I'm so feeling this. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Big up yourselves, my G's.